Hi friends, myself Shakti from CSM and ML. My title is that Hello and Well Genie Technology Today. Introduction to Genie Technology. Genie Technology, pronounced Genie, is a network architecture developed by some microsystems, now part of Oracle, to simplify the development and deployment of distributed systems in Java. It allows devices and services to dynamically discover, join, and interact with each other over a network. Gene is a Java-based distributed computing technology developed by Sun Microsystems. It allows dynamic discovery and interaction between networked services and devices, enabling adaptive and autonomous networks. History and background of Genie technology. Introduced by Sun Microsystem in 1998 as part of the Java second platform designed to simplify distributed computing. Later evolved into Apache River, the open source continuation of Genie. Genie technology was developed by Microsystems as a part of its vision for a network centric computing environmenting famously described by Sun slogan. The network is the computer. Core concept of Genie technology. Genie focuses on connecting services dynamically within a network. Key ideas: dynamic discovery of services, leasing for temporary service registration, distributed events and transactions, code mobility using Java objects. Genie technology is built on several core concepts that make it a powerful framework for distributed computing and network based service interaction. It allows different devices, applications, and services to communicate, discover, and cooperate dynamically in a Java environment. What is Genie architecture? Genie architecture defines how services, clients, and lookup services interact in a distributed Java-based network. It provides a flexible, dynamic, and scalable framework that allows devices and software components to discover, join, and communicate with each other automatically. Core complements of Genie system is that lookup service LUS, Central Directory for Service Registration and Discovery, service providers, device or programs offering services, clients, applications that consume services, discovery and join protocols, enable automatic connection between services. Service discovery process of Genie technology. The service discovery process in Genie technology is the mechanism that allows clients and services to find and connect with each other automatically in a distributed Java network. It's one of the most important features of Genie, enabling plug and play networking where devices and applications can join or leave the network dynamically without manual configuration. New service joins the network. It locates a lookup service LUS, registers itself with the LUS. Clients discourse services from the LUS. Proxy code enables communication between client and service. The LUS means look up service. Genie leasing concept. The Genie leasing concept is Genie technology is a key mechanism that helps managing resources and services dynamically in a distributed network. It ensures that services or resources exist only as long as they are needed or allowed, making the system self-managing, fault tolerant, and reliable. Services are registered for a limited time via a lease. Services must renew the lease uh, periodically to stay active. Expired leases are removed automatically, maintaining a self-cleaning system. Distributed events and transactions. In Genie technology, distribution events and transactions are two key concepts that enable reliable communication and coordinate actions across multiple network services. They make Genie a powerful distributed computing platform where different devices and applications can interact, synchronize, and recover for failures efficiently. So, star star event model, star star. So, always asynchronous communication between services. Star star transaction model, star star supports distributed to pace commits for consistency across services. Advantages of Jini technology. Jini technology developed by Sun Microsystems offers many advantages that make it a powerful framework for building distributed, dynamic, and service-oriented networks. It simplifies the process of connecting, discovering, and managing network devices and applications. There are self-managing and adaptive networks, reduces manual configurations, promotes interoperability using Java, enables scalable distributed systems, provides fault tolerance through dynamic registration. We take an example of smart device network in Jini technology. In a smart office environment, printers, scanners, and projectors register via Jini lookup. Then, when a new laptop joins, it automatically finds available services. If a service disconnects, the system adjusts automatically. Then, to understand how Genie technology works in real life, this is the example shows how smart devices such as printers, lights, and sensors can automatically discover, communicate, and cooperate within a home or office network without manual configuration. Now we discuss about Genie and modern cloud computing. Genie technology introduced by Microsystems, originally designed for networked distributed computing, allowing devices and applications to discover, join, and interact with computing and to lot. Concepts from Genie influenced the cloud and microservice technologies, service discover frameworks. Example, we take Eureka Console, self-healing systems in Kubernetes, lot, and autonomous systems with dynamic service blending. Now we discuss the current status about Apache River. Here's a clear overview of current status of Apache River in Genie technology, the continuation of Genie. Apache River is the open source project that continues the development of maintenance of Genie technology. Originally developed by Sun Microsystems, it provides Genie core features, service discovery, leasing, distributed events, and transactions. Genie's open source version under Apache, Apache River, provides APIs for service discovery, leasing, and transactions, still used in niche distributed and embedded applications. Limitations of Genie technology. There are 7 types of limitations in Genie technology. They are Java dependency, complexity, limited adoption, performance overhead, security concerns, scalability limitations, obsolescence in a modern cloud ecosystem. Then we introduced now Java dependency. Genie is heavily dependent on Java silence and it relies on Java remote. Then method invocation RMI. This makes it less suitable for heterogeneous environments when non-Java platforms need to participate. Then we discuss about complexity. Complexity nothing but setting up and managing Genie networks can be complex, especially for large-scale distributed systems. Developers must understand concepts like leasing, distributed events, and transactions, which adds to the learning curve. Now we discuss about limited adoption. Genie has never achieved widespread commercial adoption. As a result, community support resources and third-party tools are limited compared to modern frameworks like Kubernetes consoles or Eureka. Performance of overhead. Genie uses RMI and dynamic proxies, which can introduce latency and overhead in network communications. This makes it less ideal for high performance, low latency applications. Security concerns. Early versions of Genie had security vulnerabilities, particularly due to dynamic code loading and RMI. Modern implementations like Apache River have improved security but require careful configurations. Scalability limitations. Genie works well for small to medium dynamic networks, but scaling to very large networks without thousands of services can be challenging. Maintaining lookup services and event notifications at a large scale can be cumbersome. Obsolescence in modern cloud ecosystem. Modern cloud native technologies, Kubernetes, Docker, microservices frameworks offer but service discovery, observation, and scalability. Jini is now mostly used for research or legacy systems, limiting its relevance. Then, strong dependency on Java environment, network configuration challenges in large systems. Limited adoption due to competition from similar frameworks, security issues with dynamic code downloading. Relevance today is nothing but all through less mainstream Genius architecture inspired microservices and dynamic service registers, cloud native distributed management (LOT) ecosystems that rely on discovery and autonomous behavior. Conclusion: Genie technology introduced groundbreaking ideas in distributed computing. Its legacy continues through Apache River and modern distributed systems, providing that Genie is still alive and well as a foundation for adaptive network.